Hello, everybody. I wanted to make a video to give you guys an idea of what I expect for this next assignment. And we will still go over this in class, but this way you have something to go back to. You'll need your assignment that's in the Google Classroom with all of the points and coordinates. You'll need graph paper, which I put in the Google Classroom. You'll need a ruler. All right. You'll need a pencil, and you will need some type of colors, markers, colored pencils, something to differentiate from your different graphs. All right, to give it a little color, make it kind of festive. All right, so the first thing we want to do is find slope from 2 points. Hopefully you remember how to do that. The first one is done for you, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the math, so that way, in case you forgot how to find slope from 2 points, we can knock that out here. Okay. The equation for slope for 2 points is going to be m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, now if you're asking yourself, well, what does that mean? You have 2 points. Okay, the first point is always x1, y1. The second point is x2, y2. Okay, it would be in your best interest to just go ahead and label those. Okay, x2, y2. So now you know which one is which. Okay, make sure you guys can see. All right, all I did was put x1, y1, x2, y2 over the numbers. So now when it comes time to put them in the equation, I know which number is which. Y2 is -2. Okay, how did I get that? Because it says y2 right over the -2. It's the second y value. What is y1? Y1 is 0. X2 is 6 minus x1, which is 4. Okay, and now all I need to do is subtract. So -2 minus 0 is going to equal -2. 6 minus 4 is equal to +2. -2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. I'm sorry, -1. So the slope is -1 for number 2. Okay, m is equal, make sure y'all can see, m is equal to -1. All right, and that's how you find the slope. So now, if you have the ability to print this out, you know, once you get all your slopes, then you'll just come down and you'll start to connect your dots. Everybody should know how to do connect the dots. The first one was 3. So you find 3. That's where you start at. And then the next one was 1. So my job, -1. So my job is to draw a line to -1. Okay. And then you'll just go from dot to dot to dot after you find all of your slopes. Okay. Part 2 of the assignment I will explain in another video. I don't want to make the videos too long. So this was just how to find slope.